it's me, Paige, and I'm here with my friend Ashley Olsen.
No, I'm not Ashley.
I mean Mary Kate.
Kate.
Sorry, I cannot tell them apart.
And
And then here is my.
Your hands are freezing.
There is my other friend Ashley. So, yeah, I got this package today. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it has like Chinese on it. I'm not gonna show you my address. Like you can't see my address. Which is good.
Wait, what did you get? Did you get a squishy?
I'm not sure. It's like squishy, so I think it's a squishy.
Did you get a squishy?
And I'm really excited. So let's open it. Hold on.
Monday, my mom. How do you spell feed? Is it E? Paige.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh God. Paige.
This is the
it
peach
F?
squishy.
Maybe E. How do you spell feed again? Okay.
So, oh my god. It's a little defective though, which I'm kind of sad about, but whatever. Look at it. It's like a peach.
Wait, Paige. Paige.
Oh my god. What?
Can I after this, can I show them the videos that me and Ashley did?
So, yeah, this has been my dream to get like a squishy or like a peach, especially because peaches are my favorite fruit in the world. Oh my god, it's pink and it's so cute. It kind of looks like something wrong, so I'm going to show you this side. It's so squishy. Okay, so